Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine. Friends, today we are starting with the topic big sums. Already we have completed the main three concepts we have learned. The first concept I have teach to you how to find the sacrifice ratio, gaining ratio, and the new ratio. Second concept I teach to you regarding the points related to goodwill. Third, in the last period, we have seen how to deal with the revaluation account. Now we are combining with all the concept and now we are starting the topic. Now it's the main point is that the weightage of this particular chapter, the weightage of this particular chapter comes to 9 marks. And in that 9, right, 8 marks is for the big sum. 8 marks we have to solve big sum and 1 mark is for the MCQ or short answer. Right. So the biggest part is the big sums that we have to calculate. So friends, let's see. This is the whole sum that can be asked for us in our board exam also or in the exams also. I'm just reading for you. Bhavya and Slok are the partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. This ratio is old ratio, right? We know capital will comes to partners capital account, while general reserve, workman compensation and investment reserve, these are all accumulated profit that we have to distribute to partners. While creditors and bills payable, it's a liability. Goodwill, we can say it is to be distributed to partners' capital. In short, we have to write off. Write off. Land and building, machine, stock, debtors, investment, cash and bank. We have to prepare one new account that is cash and bank. It's a new account. Advertisement campaign expenditure. What does it mean? Advertisement campaign expenditure is an accumulated loss. Accumulated loss. And that we have to transfer to where? In partners capital. Partners capital account debit side. Okay. So let's see the topic. Ayush brought 5 lakhs as his capital and 1 lakh as his share of goodwill in cash. So capital is 5 lakh while goodwill is of 1 lakh. So capital we have to pass an entry and goodwill in cash. When goodwill comes in cash, what is the journal entry? Cash account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. Hope you're remembering. Land and building is to be increased, right? So tick mark is there. Value of machine is to be reduced. Machine. Provision for doubtful debt, that is debtors. Provision for outstanding repair expense that we have to make further. And new profit and loss ratio is to 2 is to 1 is to 2, right? From the above, pass entry, prepare which account? Revaluation account, partners capital account, cash bank account and the new balance sheet. Chalo. So friends, give the heading revaluation account for their ending 31st March 2017. Give the heading revaluation account for the year ending 31st for the year ending 31st March 2017. Leave around 15 lines. Then give the heading partners capital account. Partners capital account Bhavya, Shlok and Ayush. In revaluation account columns, you know it, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. In partners capital also, debit, credit. Partners names are Bhavya, Shlok and Ayush. Bhavya, Shlok and Ayush. After that, cash and bank account, that also debit, credit. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Right? So prepare the columns. So we are starting the sum. The first I can see is capital. I have the textbook with me here, so I'm not going to question again and again. Okay. So first thing is capital. So capital I have to write in partners capital account credit side. Right. So partners capital account credit side I write by balance brought forward. In Bhavya it comes 4 lakhs, while in Shlok it comes 3 lakhs. Right. Then comes the topic general reserve. I already discussed with you general reserve. So what does the general reserve? General reserve is an accumulated profit. So where we have to distribute? We have to distribute to partners capital credit side. So let's go to partners capital credit side by general reserve. 90,000 I can see. 90,000. And what is the ratio? Ratio is 3 is to 2. So start calculating. 90,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. How much? 54,000. And then 90,000 into 2, that is 1,80,000 divided by 5. It comes to us 36,000 in the old ratio. After general reserve, I can see is workman compensation reserve. That also we have discussed. That is also accumulated profit. So again, it also comes to partners capital credit side, compensation reserve. Which ratio? 3 is to 2. Now it's 20,000. So 20,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. It comes 12,000 and here comes 8,000. That is also completed. Investment reserve, that is also accumulated profit by investment reserve. That also we have to distribute to partners. The ratio is 3 is to 2. It's 10,000. So 10,000 into 3 divided by 5. It comes to 6,000 and 4,000. Clear? That also completed. Now comes the topic creditors and bills payable. So where we have to write creditors and bills payable, that we have discussed, that is liability. So go to balance sheet. The first we write capital and then we write the name Bhavya, Shlok, and then we write the name Ayush. And then we give the heading creditors. No tick mark is done, that's why it will come in outer column 1,40,000. Bill payable, no tick mark is there, that will also come in outer column 60,000. Right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next comes in asset goodwill. Now what we have to write in goodwill? Goodwill, we know that it's an intangible asset that we have to write off. तो राइट ऑफ करने के लिए कहां जाएंगे हम? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल डेबिट टू गुडविल, रेशियो वही 3 is to 2. So 1 lakh into 3 divided by 5. 60,000, 40,000 and dash. Goodwill is completed. Now comes land and building. Right? देखना है कि टिक है कि नहीं. Yes, टिक is there. So asset में जाएंगे हम. Asset में लिखेंगे land and building. Inner column 3,50,000, one take one line. मशीनरी, मशीनरी पे टिक है, मशीनरी इनर कॉलम 2 lakh, one take one line, one take one line मशीन में. आफ्टर दैट इट कम्स स्टॉक, स्टॉक पे टिक है, स्टॉक पे टिक नहीं है, सो दैट स्टॉक विल कम टू आउटर कॉलम 1,80,000. डेटर्स पे टिक है, इनर कॉलम 1,20,000 माइनस BDR ब्रैकेट इट राइट 10,000. अब जो भी इसमें करेंगे प्लस माइनस दैट विल डिस्कस. देन कम्स इन्वेस्टमेंट. नो टिक मार्क इज देयर ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट पे कोई टिक नहीं है, सो अगेन कम्स टू एसेट साइड. इन्वेस्टमेंट आउटर कॉलम 20,000. कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस ब्रॉड फॉरवर्ड करो. कैश एंड बैंक के डेबिट में टू बैलेंस ब्रॉड फॉरवर्ड 50,000 कैश बैलेंस. We have to open an account क्योंकि we have some adjustment, that's why. Advertisement campaign expenditure, ये क्या है? Already we have discussed. ये क्या है? Accumulated loss. देखो accumulated loss, तो ये कहाँ जाएगा? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल के डेबिट में टू एडवर्टाइजमेंट कैंपेन एक्सपेंडिचर 10,000 को बांटेंगे हम, राइट? तो 10,000 को बांटो 3:2, 3:2, 6,000, 4,000, ये भी हो गया. आफ्टर दैट आई कैन सी द एडजस्टमेंट, राइट? तो यहां तक अपना काम कंप्लीट हुआ. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द एडजस्टमेंट. देखो आयुष ब्रॉड 5 lakhs एज कैपिटल, कैपिटल लेकर आ रहा है, तो जर्नल एंट्री बोलो इसका क्या होगा? कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू आयुष कैपिटल अकाउंट. तो कैश के डेबिट में जाएंगे, कैश के डेबिट में लिखेंगे टू आयुष कैपिटल. हाउ मच? 5 lakhs. This 5 lakhs we have to transfer to which account? Partners capital credit side. यहां लिखेंगे बाय कैश अकाउंट, आयुष के कॉलम में 5 lakhs, राइट? नेक्स्ट, एंड 1 lakh has his share of goodwill in cash. गुडविल भी लेकर आना है, राइट? बट व्हाट इज द एंट्री? यू नो, इसकी जर्नल एंट्री हम पास करते हैं. तो मैंने एक वर्किंग बना रहा हूं मैं. I'm doing the working here. When the goodwill is bring in cash, so what is the journal entry? Cash account debited to premium for goodwill. And second entry is premium for goodwill account debited, premium for goodwill account debited to sacrificing partner. So the first we have to find the sacrifice ratio. That is not given to us. So how to find the sacrifice ratio? That is old ratio minus new ratio. So now here, the first partner I am taking the name of Bhavya. Take the name of Bhavya old ratio. So Bhavya old ratio is 3/5 and the new comes 2/5. It's 0. LCM is same, 3/5, 2/5. Bhavya is not sacrificing anything. Next comes Lok sacrifice. 2/5 minus 1/5. 1/5. Right? and third is Ayush. Ayush doesn't sacrifice anything because he is the new one. That is old. Nothing is there. 0 minus 2 by 5. Right. So here comes minus 2 by 5. So he is gaining. Okay. So Bhavya is sacrificing. Yes, I have done mistake. 3 minus 2. Yes, that's right. So Bhavya is sacrificing 1 by 5 and Slok also sacrificing 1 by 5. So their sacrifice ratio is 1:1 between the two partners. So what is the entry now? Cash account debited to premium, that is of 1 lakh. And then comes premium for goodwill account debited. Sacrificing means to Bhavya's capital to A's capital. 50,000, 50,000. Is it clear to you? So how to pass the journal entry? Come to cash account. Cash account debit we go and we write to premium for goodwill 1 lakh. And what is the second entry? Premium for goodwill account debited to partners. So premium for goodwill account debited to partners. So by premium, because we are crediting 50,000, 50,000. It's the most important entry, premium. Right, now the remaining part is little bit easy for us. So let's see. Land and building is to be increased by 80,000. So go to land and building plus 80,000. So 3 lakh 50 plus 80, it comes 4 lakh 30. Plus what I teach to you, plus karenge to same side. So same side will come revaluation credit side by land and building 80,000. Then comes machine is to be reduced 1,60,000. Machine reduced to up to 1,60,000 minus 40,000. And now this 40,000 minus opposite side to machine to machinery 40,000. Provision for doubtful debt. How much? 10% we have to keep. That is 1,20,000. 10% comes to 12,000. So it will come 1,08,000. So 10,000 is already there. We have to add 2,000. It's an expense for us. So that 2,000 we have to write in revaluation to bad debt reserve. 2,000. Provision for outstanding repairing expense is made at 8,000. It's a provision. Right. So again, debit to outstanding repairing expenses 8,000 plus we have to do the same side, outstanding repairing expenses 8,000. Right. So maximum point we have covered. Now we have to tally this particular sum. So let's take the revaluation. Revaluation debits credit side is more. So I am making the total 80,000. Minus karo, we left with 42 plus 8, 50. So we are left with how much? 30,000. Here we have to write to partners capital account. We are in profit. Two partners, Bhavya and Slok. 30,000. What is the ratio? 3 and 2. So it comes 18,000 and 12,000. That we have to transfer. That we have to transfer in credit side. So by revaluation, from which account we have come? From revaluation. 18,000, 12,000 and dash. Now make the total of Bhavya. 4 lakhs, 54,000, 12,000, 6,000, 50,000, 80. It makes the total of 5 lakh 40,000. In the same way, Slok also 3 lakh 36, 8, 4, 50 and 12. It makes the total of 4 lakh 10,000. And here it comes 5 lakhs. So here I am writing 5 lakh 40,000, 4 lakh 10,000 and here I am writing 5 lakhs. Then I have to deduct it. So it comes to us 4 lakh 74,000, 3 lakh 66,000 and here comes 5 lakhs. And here I am writing 2 balance carried forward. Right? This is our main answer. Now we are moving to the cash bank. Make the total of cash bank. It comes to us 6 lakh 50,000. 6 lakh 50,000. So here we left with by balance carried forward 6 lakh 50,000. Now we are coming to balance sheet. The first is the capital of Bhavya. 4 lakh 74,000, 3 lakh 66,000 and 5 lakhs. If we make the total, we get 13 lakh 40,000. Right, capital. And now we are left with cash balance. And cash balance comes to us 6 lakh 50,000. And if we make the total of that, we get 15 lakh 48,000. Here also 15 lakh 48,000. Right? So this is the whole topic. So again I am making the revision to you. Right. So first topic is capital, where we have to write partners, capital, credit side. The most important part is the general reserve. General reserve, workman compensation reserve and investment reserve. These all three reserves are what? Accumulated profit. So this we have to transfer to partners, capital, credit side. Then comes creditors and bill payable. Now what is that? That is the liability. On asset you can see goodwill is given. So that goodwill we have to write off. So where we have to write off? We have to write off in partners capital debit side. Then comes land and building, machinery, stock, debtors and investment. That we have to write in balance sheet asset side. Cash and bank, a new account is to be prepared and there we have to write to balance brought forward. Advertisement campaign expenditure, that is an accumulated loss, that we have to write on the debit side. The topic is first one, Ayush brought 5 lakhs as his capital and 1 lakh as his share of goodwill in cash. So entry first is the capital and second is the cash. Cash account debited to sacrificing partner. Land and building is to be increased by 80,000. So what is the journal entry? Land and building account debited. Right, we are in the profit to revaluation. Machine is to be reduced. It's an expense for us. So revaluation account debited to machinery. Bad debt we have to keep 10%. So 1,20,000 10% comes 12,000. Already 10,000 is given. So plus 2,000. Provision for outstanding repairing expense is to be made 8,000. So it's an expense for us. Revaluation debit and balance sheet liability. New profit and loss ratio of all the partner is to be kept at 2:1:2. So from this we calculate the sacrifice ratio. So what is the journal entry for goodwill? Yes, goodwill account debited to cash account debited to premium for goodwill. और दूसरा प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर्स. ठीक है, तो दिस टॉपिक वी हैव कंप्लीटेड फ्रेंड्स. इन नेक्स्ट पीरियड वी आर गोइंग टू सी इलिटरेशन नंबर 23. अब इसमें देखो क्या है. तराना एंड जिनीशा आर द पार्टनर्स. द बैलेंस शीट वाज अंडर. लायबिलिटीज में दिया है तराना, जिनीशा, वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व और वर्क इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन फंड. प्रोविडेंट फंड जो नहीं बांट सकते, बैड डेट रिजर्व नहीं बांट सकते, क्रेडिटर्स आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस, गुडविल ये हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, मशीनरी, इन्वेस्टमेंट, डेटर्स, स्टॉक. और कैश कहाँ लिखेंगे? कैश कहाँ लिखेंगे? डेबिट साइड पे. रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट एक्सपेंसेस, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट एक्सपेंसेस ये एक्यूमुलेटेड लॉस है. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस ये भी एक्यूमुलेटेड लॉस है. अब देखो क्या लिखा है. रिहान विल ब्रिंग 2 lakhs as his capital and 18,000 as share of goodwill. ये लेकर आना है उसको, कैपिटल भी लेकर आना है और गुडविल भी लेकर आना है. एनी डिफरेंस इन द अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल टू बी एडजस्टेड टू हिज कैपिटल अकाउंट. अब गुडविल में जो भी कम पड़ेगा उसे हम कैपिटल में एडजस्ट करेंगे. न्यू रेशियो 4:3:2. गुडविल का वैल्यूएशन दिया है 1 लाख, तो हमें उसके हिसाब से कुछ कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा. क्लेम एक्सेप्टेड फॉर वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन 8,000. जिनेशा विल टेक और इन्वेस्टमेंट 48,000. देखो पॉइंट कितना ज्यादा दिया है. एक्रूड इंटरेस्ट sorry 6,000 is not recorded. Bill payable drawn by creditor 1,000 is accepted but not even recorded in the books of account. Land and building 20% less than market value. Out of insurance premium 12,000 is carried forward to the next year. तो एक बार आप इसे रीड करना, रेडी रखना. ठीक है, थैंक यू, टेक केयर.